going on, squad? We got a fun video for you guys today. I got wheels for the Duramax. So right here we got some MB 352 wheels. They're 9 wide and the diameter is 17 inches. And I think this is exactly the look I'm going for this Duramax. As you can see, the wheels are kind of rough. They're not looking super good. This is an anodized surface, and the anodized surface has obviously been corroded and oxidized.
This is the worst wheel. They're not all this bad. This one's terrible.
But you guys know how we do. Facebook Marketplace, that's my favorite online shopping store. So we got these bad girls off Facebook Marketplace for very cheap. So we're gonna go ahead and restore them and paint them, and then we're gonna put them on the truck. Yeah, so I'm not a huge fan of fake bead locks. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put black hardware back in here
to hide them.
So it's kind of hidden, but it still looks complete. It looks nice.
Cool. Watch us turn these ugly wheels into something really beautiful. Let's get into it. By the way, you're getting really out of your comfort zone with this color you picked too. I'm nervous it's not gonna look good.
I don't want to tell what the color is yet, but it's my favorite wheel color.
Yeah. What do we have going on in here?
Cleaning.
Focus, camera, focus. There we go.
So obviously, as you can see, I finished sanding everything. I finished taping off the wheels. So now I'm cleaning them with some brake clean, and then we're gonna start laying our etching primer down.
Heck yeah.
Not gonna lie, it took more hours than I'd like to admit to get to this point, but we finally made it.
Nope, go ahead, admit it. How many hours did you spend sanding and taping?
6 to 7 hours. You think that's pretty fair? Probably 6 to 7 hours. Your paint job's only gonna be as good as your prep work, so you
That's true.
You gotta put time into the prep work.
So that's what it's supposed to look like.
I think that's probably good for the first layer.
Well, now would be a good time to tell you guys to like and subscribe. If you found this video satisfying, like and subscribe. We're making more videos and we're gonna be installing the cage on the Corvette in the next video.